Well, cautious notes on Reliance Industries pouring in this morning. One from Edelweiss, Jalrani, and the other one from Vikas Jain of CLSA. Jalrani clearly goes on to say that too much of exuberance is getting factored in as far as Reliance Industries stock is concerned. The sharpness of the rally. In fact, they went on going positive on Reliance Industries 4 years back in 2016. Now they believe that almost every positive trigger is factored in: asset monetization, the growth in their platform business. In fact, he goes on to say that this is not the first time that Reliance Industries stock is witnessing euphoria. From normal valuations, now euphoric valuations are getting factored in. He goes on to say that the way Street is valuing Reliance Industries now, it gives very little room on the downside or any risks on execution. So they are factoring in, completely flawless execution, which may not be the case because execution is always a gigantic task. He goes on to say that the parts of the Street which are even comparing FAANGs stocks to Reliance Industries may also be slightly misplaced, because they believe that 70% of the valuation of stock still comes from telecom and oil businesses. Similar kind of tone is actually coming as far as CLSA is concerned this morning, and that's why they're saying that though they are upgrading their target higher because of the sharp rally, their call on the stock they are downgrading. Now this actually comes in the wake of very sharp rally, almost more than doubling of the stock price from March lows, and which is also coinciding with almost 1.5 lakh crore of transactions being done for Jio platform, where some of the marqueest names from sovereign wealth funds, from private equity companies, and even 3 large tech companies like Qualcomm, Intel, Facebook, etc. actually came in. So it will be very interesting to see how the stock reacts after this sharp rally. Does it indeed go into some kind of a consolidation phase, which these two notes are kind of indicating, or does it continue with its kind of up move? Because mind you, a lot of funds still are not very overweight on Reliance Industries, and they are still neutral. They have just started the process of going overweight. So does it still attract the same kind of buying, or does it go in a sideways kind of a movement for some time after more than doubling of the stock? That's something very interesting to watch out for. But at least brokerages are now taking note that it's not all very cannot be priced in a short period of time. Large projects take time to actually pan out, and that's how valuations should also follow. So this is what is actually happening in the country's largest, most valued company right now.